What did you buy?
I bought a cardigan and 2 shirts.
Who's paying?
You.
No, not me. You pay me. You pay me. It's expensive. Where are we? Eden?
You know where Abby is? You still don't know?
No,
Where did you last see her?
I don't know. Ang mahal. Nabayad ako.
Mahal naman kay Eden.
Kaya nga.
Kay Eden pala.
Ang mahal ng kay Eden, neklabo. Ginto ang mga damit.
Yan ang po ang driver natin.
Ito po yung driver. Ang dumi na sasakyan. Oh.
Suot niya po ang aking... Doon ako sa kabila.
Ito yung... Nagbibideo lang kami. Nakita ako, nahagip ako. Eden, where are we? Why?
Looking for Tatay's sweater.
Right now,
Vlogger.
Hi.
Jaden,
Please, I'm shy.
why?
I'm shy.
You're not shy. No. I said no. Ano yan?
Sumasa. Look, look, look.
Jalapeno yung cheese po. Hindi kita gamit sa McDo.
Oh, isang buo. Wala ba?
35. Oh, mabigat.
Parang
Is it
masarap na
heavy?
ito.
It's not heavy.
Should we? Should we?
No, I don't think so.
No, I don't think so.
Ito na lang.
No, let's go. Turn around. Turn around.
Turn around, turn around, turn, turn, turn around, turn around, turn, turn, turn. Can you
Yan, fat Amy.
Ito.
excuse me?
Hindi ka kasha.
Excuse me, what are you talking about?
Asin. Looking for asin.
No, no.
Oh. Presyo din to sa Walmart eh. Yeah. No.
Tapos na kasi.
No, 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 no. Too sweet. Diabetes. Ano to? Caramel. Record na yan.
Nakarecord na ba yan? Hello, vlog, vlog, vlog. Hello, hi daw. Hi, we're going to... I don't know. We're going somewhere. Ano ba gagawin natin? We're going somewhere to escape. Called escape room. Di ba?
Yeah. Overstimulated na ako right now.
Hindi ka ba awareness pa nakapag-escape mo?
Hindi pa.
Oh, you have to help us escape, ha?
There you go. They said you have to have a brain to escape. But then I don't have a brain. So how I'm going to escape there? I don't know. We'll see. Bye-bye.
Glasses!
Glasses? Glasses!
You have my glasses? No. No? Okay.
Okay, bye! Drive safe!
Dapat di dun yung bag na yun.
I don't know.
Why did you bring it?
Just leave it in the car.
No, it's okay. Just bring it.
You need your AirPods?
You're wearing a hoodie.
Naki-over na yung ano. Boy Scout.
Hello. Hi.
Talaga sa ang camera dito.
Sa ayun. Parang mga kang tourist.
Saan mo kakantong sa ipakas na ba kami?
Hindi ka kasha. Ang nipis. Ang sikip. Ang yung ate. Kaya pa ate Tess? Mataas pa, ayan. Ito na po ang Donya.
Yan na ako nakalabas.
Ha?
Yan na ako nakalabas.
Ah,
Good morning. Good morning. How was your
ay, hindi ko dapat sila. Bilis naman. Okay lang.
Ano?
Siya yung binantay ng mga bata. The leaf. Hi guys, so for today's video, we're taking our auntie to the leaf because she needs some greeneries in her life.
There's no greenery in the
Iiwanan na ba natin
She's
ang ate Tess
always
dito?
on the green side.
Where are you hiding?
No, I'm not having. I'm just resting.
Why do you look like your mom?
I don't.
You do.
I'm gonna toss her in the waterfall. Go ahead.
Look at the leaf.
What did you get?
I don't know.
Good job.
Maligo ka na, Dibin. It's about time.
No. Woo! Ooh, that was... Woo! The greeneries. This one. Thank you.
Ginawa kong kampayo. Gabi.
Upright elephant ears.
You remember
Wow.
this from the Philippines?
No, I don't.
Sabay kayo sa tour guide.
What did you get?
I get, I don't know what I got. I'm just drinking.
Oh, okay. Good, 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 good.
Lilian, kamote yun.
Kamote yan?
Oo.
Alin?
This one. Chocolate.
Oh, tapioca.
This is kamote, guys.
Tapioca.
Cassava root.
Ganyan yung tanim na sa
Gato.
backyard.
Tapioca.
Wow.
We have it in
ito,
the
ito, ito.
backyard.
How do I zoom?
Ayan yun.
Oo. Ang dami ko kayong tanim na ganyan.
Ba't hindi mo ginagamit?
Commonly called as manioc, cassava, or yucca, South American Brazil and Paraguay. The starchy roots of the manihot.
Good
The
job.
manihot are popular carbohydrates.
Jillian, nasaan na yung mga dinosaur?
Hi, vlog.
Oo, mango tree.
What?
Baka pag... Mangga ba to?
Kasi wala mapaglipangan.
Ayun yung gano'n, yung
Kuya,
gantong
mango
nakarag
tree
sa
to.
ilog.
Mangga yan? Mangga sa atin. Tingin mo, namumulaklak kaya to?
Ito bako. Yes.
Bawal ba hawakan? Ano mo sinabing bawal hawakan?
Payo ng ganun dati.
Ay, oo,
Pag umuulan, lalo pagkalabas ng school.
Gabi yan, gabi.
Ba't ang daming gabi?
Mr. Bean. Jilan!
Mr. Loba Loba.
Mmm.
Mr. Loba Loba.
Mmm. Anong nakita nyo?
may tanim na ganito daw.
Ah,
Pamulan mo na ng konti.
dala kayo sa Kali.
Lalaki yan lang doon.
Ay,
Mga-customs kayo.
Baka di na ako makabalik ng ating lugar.
Ito, ang dami-dami ng saging, oh. Nice.
Mitos religyosa.
Sacred bow tree. Ganda sana kung may ibon sa loob, no?
Meron mga iba na yan, ostrich.
Po ang kinakain ni Jasper sa kinalaglagan
Pag tagutom, walang
pag wala po yung makain. Ito po kinakain. Yeah.
Yesterday, today, and tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Yesterday, today, and tomorrow.
Ano?
Dala mo ba inhaler mo?
Dalawa?
Oh, dala na!
Sino?
Inhaler.
Dala
Ikaw
ko.
po eh.
The bamboo.
All the cartons are made of bamboo. Maybe not in Lola's area, but like where our house is, like a couple blocks away. there's no- Ano yan?
Hindi ko alam.
Si Jeffrey.
Kaya pala tayo naligaw. Oo.
Wait.
我搬到最小只，换了货不是就是。
Hey, fishy, fishy. Come here, fishy, fishy.
What is that?
That's you. That's you. Nathan, what are you doing down there?
Wow.
Dami po yung.
Oh, sorry. Hi, tita. Say hi.
Patayin lang, babaw. Mababaw yan.
Mababali.
Mababali lang dito yung dalawa.
Lock in sa banel.
Ayan, oh.
Yun, matakaw yun. Tsara ko yun. Yun, nasa
Ito, ang mas matakaw. Ito.
Ay!
At saka ito.
Dito tayo.
Ang ganda naman ng ano. Ay,
Kunin mo nga.
bunga yan.
Ibang turo ng turo.
May saging.
Yeah, para sa'yo.
Uy, may puso pa.
Sabi mo.
Ito puso.
Saan yun?
Da! Ah!
butterflies.
Ah!
There's butterflies.
Where? Ah!
Butterflies.
Where? Ah! Ah! Ta-da! Where'd he go? Ah! Ah! Where'd he go? Where'd he go?
Hey, butterflies.
Wala mang bunga. Yung maliit yung bunga.
Pero pinya meron.
Pinya? Oh! Pwede tumaas?
Hindi kita binabayaran ba?
Ganda.
Ay, wala lang. Karma.
Ang ganda.
Ay!
Paano? Labo.
Meron!
Your road! So road!
Kaya ba tayo? Ikaw hindi.
Iwan kayo ni Omar.
Ay, gumamela.
Ay, nyo muna sa baba.
Where? Dito nga. Dito muna. Bulaklak.
Picture ka kay dyan. Pangit? Pinipicture ko.
Sakto, may bago na eh. Sasaksak na.
Balik mo dito.
You guys are going so bigger. So fast.
Funny, funny, funny.
Or the triplets. Triplets. Raise your hands, please.
Nasaan na?
The triplets.
Jaden? Oh, not Jaden. Andre?
Jaden is there. Oh, Jaden is there.
Ikaw na lang talaga ata ang wala.
Ha?
Pa. Di lang pa nasasabihin na Marites.
Maritesa!
Where we didn't?
Escape room!
Why?
Because we're gonna escape.
Escape from what?
I don't know, the pyramid?
Kasya ka? Parang hindi.